Let me show you how easy it is to make barbacoa in a pressure cooker. It comes out so delicious and you're gonna love it once you try it. I'm gonna start off by setting my pan to medium heat. We add some oil. Once hot, we add 3 garlic cloves, quarter of a white onion, 2 roma tomatoes, and we fry for about 4 minutes. After that, we add 1 chile pasilla and 6 chile guajillos. Continue frying for another minute, then we transfer everything into the blender. And here I have 1/8 teaspoon of each, black pepper and ground cumin. We also add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 cloves, 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, 1 cup of water, and some salt. I forgot to film adding the salt, so don't skip it. Now we blend. For the meat, I have here 2.5 pounds of beef chuck roast cut into chunks. And I'm also adding 2 beef ribs. This will add so much flavor to the broth. Next, we add in the sauce, along with 2 cups of beef broth and 2 bay leaves. Give it a quick mix, and I'm gonna be using my pressure cooker. We're gonna pressure cook on high for 1 hour. This is why I love using a pressure cooker. It cooks everything so much faster. On the stove, this would take around 3 to 4 hours. It's been 1 hour and our barbacoa is now ready. If you guys wanna see how I make it on the stove, just comment stove down below and I'll make a video. Now we transfer the meat to a plate and start shredding it. Once it's shredded like this, you can use it for tacos, quesadillas, or my favorite, barbacoa bowl. Today I'll be serving with frijoles de la olla and some sopita fría. I already have recipes for these two on my page, so check it out. We top it off with some cebollita, cilantro, and it's ready to enjoy. Ok, primero le voy a echar limoncito. All right, guys, so now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Oh my God, guys, this is so delicious. You definitely need to try it. If you've never made barbacoa in a pressure cooker, it's your time to try it. It's way easier to make. If you guys want to see it on the stovetop, drop stove on the comments and I'll be sure to make a video for you guys. And there you have it, delicious barbacoa de res. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.